I just found one dashboard that gives access to every major AI model without monthly fees. With Multiverse AI, anyone can try GPT-5, Gemini, Claude, DALL-E, and more in one place. It's cloud-based, so you don't need to install anything, just log in and watch it work. You pay once and unlock current plus future AI versions for life with no hidden costs. Everything lives in one place: text, voice, video, images, already with one login. It's beginner-friendly, but powerful. 2 enterprise models and smart auto AI selection. I switched between models smoothly and could compare outputs in real time. The interface is clean, simple, and doesn't overwhelm with buttons or confusing menus. This tool replaced multiple subscriptions I used to juggle and made creation fun. I felt creative freedom I haven't had before. This is fresh, fast, and deeply exciting. Check the link in the description and find out more about Multiverse AI today.